Chillin' with my G's on a sunny day. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you hear me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny day. Everybody lay back.
Alright. Nhớ rồi nè. Nó bây giờ cái tí tôi lồng dê nè. Giờ San Rafael. Giờ nó nè. Sẽ phải lồng bò tòn dê hả? Có nó phải tuần cho nó bố mua cơ là sẽ phải chắc khay. Rồi phải chắc phải lồng cái tàu nè.
In the house, spitting game and dig him out and grab some licks so we can sit, man. Light another split, man. Pass it my way so that I can get a hit, man. Ain't nothing better than chilling with the homies. And on a sunny day, I kill a park again and barbecuing all the things that we be doing, all the shit that we been through. We never wanted to be ruined. Always understand that I like to kick it drunk and high. Only with the homies, why? I can do whatever I like, no matter dead or alive. I'm gonna be living my life until the day that I die. I did it all for my life. Don't even ask me why. Just as long as you're down to ride, let the day pass by. We gon' kick it tonight, yeah.
Chillin' with my G's on a sunny day. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you hear me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny day. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you hear me.
Good times glistening, wood grain pimping, living life, lunch level blazing out, pop a bottle, my motto. Picture perfect lane lotto every day in the summer, winter, spring, or fall. Cashing out the cases, partying, PK, make moves unlimited. Assisted to the basket, precision like beautiful percussion in the hood of the public. Got me zoned out, tossed up, you can call me baller. Let's blaze and keys a parlor. Get the switch and smoke a river, chillin' with my G's. Tipsy on the sea, shipping on the T's. Probably eye for the youth, guarantee we stay chillin'. Rice, wine, and weed, real blazing, barbecue pasting. Slap another slab, Minnesota, pick the lake. Steady throttle on the way, catching bastards on the base. Every week of the year, I got my mind made up, illin' paper chasing, sliding with the regiments, cruise to the nightlife.
Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you hear me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny day. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you hear me.
I ain't shit without my chiggers. We on the rise, but this time we gon' kick it. All through the night, when I ride, I'd rather ride with my dog. We could kick it here, in the club, in the bar. We could get the smoke chicken, I get the liquor. Holla at my girls, G's, I get you hooker. We in the place to be, I would love to give a toast for all my real chickers out there holding it down. You all know I keep the party poppin' cause the liquor don't stop. Plus the liquor don't stop till your ass drop. And we can bump the music all day non-stop. All my ladies in the spot, won't you show me what you got? Forget about your man, baby, you can crawl on top. Know that I like, baby girl, when your body rock. Me and my homie cool as hell, we don't bite. Come and get some love, we gon' party all night.
Chillin' with my G's on a sunny day. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you hear me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny day. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you hear me.
Chillin' with my G's, no other place to be. Minnesota, Tsis. The liquor got me crunk, blaze the tree. Ride the stump, got my weed. Drink till you're drunk. With my G's, ladies never front. Not with my team. Box me if you want, I'll show you what I mean. My east side boys, we be like dogs. But for now we off, chillin' like we lost. Feeling like a boss, kill 'em just because. Ladies wanna touch families with us. Ladies show us love, maybe it's because we just love to bust, tool and kill the cut. Fool, you ain't skills like Bud, Joe is ill like water, can't be real like slugs. I am killed, but now I chill because highly skills on the real, we will kill your thugs. But for now, just chill, it's love.
Chillin' with my G's on a sunny day. Everybody lay back, smoke some